Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the natural gas price has moved in the last week and how the natural gas price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas price, what you can see that since December 2021 we have seen it was moving in a particular range. Okay, and after this particular range we have seen an uptrend. Okay, after this particular resistance have broke at this point, because this is the point where it has made high and was moving in this particular range, and this was the range high. So after moving this particular range we have seen it made a high of around 4.480. okay, and at this particular point you will see that most of the commodities have made high, but from there we have seen it is continuously dropping. Okay, and made a low of around 3.631, and now it is trading at around 3.747. if you look at the chart we can see this in this particular range. Okay, before that, if you have any doubt regarding natural gas, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or any commodity. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in commodity and natural gas is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. Okay, if you look at the chart from 2021, I have been telling you that this is, see, whenever there's a gap theory, that if it comes gap down, then we have seen that there is a gap filling will happen soon or later. Okay, see, this was the particular range, after that made a high, and from there it is continuously down. Okay, but now what you can see that from the last 15 days we can see that the price is increasing. We cannot say 15 days, 2 3 4 5 days, then we can say that the price is now increasing, and it is not increasing and in a rapid fast rate, but it is going towards an upside. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, okay, what we can expect that if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 3.779, and if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 3.797, and if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 3.821, and once the price sustain this level, then we can see, and this level is not tested here twice, so chances what we can see, it can bounce back, but the next support we can see is coming at around 3.806. so what we can see, a bounce back can turn into again a new upside, and probability can be high that it can go and touch a level of 3.848, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 3.857, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 3.863. okay, once it touch this level, what we can see, and this level 3.857 is already tested here twice, so chances will be very high we can see further upside of to a level of 3.908. okay, why I am saying you this, if the price goes above a level of 3.824, then probability of touching 3.851, keep this in mind, probability of, if it sustain a level of 3.827, we can see a probability of touching 3.863. okay, and probability of touching that is very high, and this level is already tested here, so chances will be very high we can see a level of 3.902, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 3.929, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high 3.943, and once this level is crossed, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 3.982, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 4.018. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 4.045, and from there we can see it can go further high to a level of 4.090. but suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, what we can see, if it didn't sustain a level what is currently trading, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 3.732, and from there we can see it can, the next support coming at around 3.726, and once this level crossed, and because this is a strong support, we can see that this is the particular range, and it is a low high, so probability is there if it didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 3.693, and once this goes below this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 3.75. okay, keep this in mind, if the price goes below this level, then probability of going towards 3.666 is very high, and once if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 3.648. okay, and from there we can see it can go further low to a level of 3.642. Okay, so now what we can see looking at the chart, after if it goes below a level of 3.654 and this level is already tested here, so probability of going towards 3.630 is very high, and from there if it didn't sustain this level, we can see a level of 3.580. Okay, suppose if the price goes below 3.580, it can go further low to a level of 3.532, and once this level cross downside, we can see it can go and touch a level of 3.499. okay, and which is this level is already tested here, so keep this in mind. If the price goes below a level of 3.633, probability of touching a level of 3.589 is very high, and if this level didn't sustain, we can see a level of 3.502, and this level is already tested here, so we can see further low in the price of NG and can go to a level of towards more low, and we can see it can go further low to a level of 3.499, and from there we can see it can go low to a level of 3.456, and from there we can see a level of 3395. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Now understand one thing, while you are trading or if you are investing for a longer view, you always understand, define your risk. Okay, risk should be 1:2 or whatever you should be doing. You should not get, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, your per trade should be from 10% to 15%. So 10,000's 10% is around $1,000, or 15% is 1,500. And if you are trading 5 times, okay, if you made loss suppose 3 times, and your risk should be 0.5 to 1% of that particular 10%, so that will be around $50 to $100, maximum of $150. okay, so suppose if you trade 5 times and 3 times you made loss, so you know your losses. okay, but if you made profit, it should be bigger, so you should understand that your risk is limited. You can make a maximum profit if you are trading it properly. okay, I do workshop in this. Regarding this, you can mail me and we can work out on it, okay, according to if you are needed. okay, so now any doubt regarding, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please